Hello everybody and welcome to week 6 of our class. Well, I call week 6 our Step It Up week because we only have 2 more weeks left of class, so this is the week to make it happen. If you only usually post 8 substantive notes, this is the week to post 10, 12. And this is the week to edit your work carefully. Step it up. We're approaching the end of Gen 127, and you want to produce the best work possible as you get ready to move into your English classes. In week 5, we talked about communication, the difference between academic and casual communication. We talked about people who is in your audience, what is the purpose, what is the audience, and what is the tone? Well, this week we're changing gears a bit, and we are going to continue to talk about communication. However, the emphasis this week is on career exploration, as you see right here. The goals for this week are we're going to identify the university learning goals that influence career success. Those university learning goals are part of the required learning activity right here, and I'm going to show you what they look like. And let me see if I can possibly move this over a bit. Can I? Probably not. Okay, it's not letting me move over. Well, but you can get an idea. The university learning goals are professional competence and values, communication once again, critical thinking and problem solving, information utilization, and collaboration. These are all part of what you will need to be successful in your upcoming careers. You will have to be skilled in your career. You'll have to be able to communicate well in both writing and speaking. You'll have to be able to think critically and solve complex problems. You'll need to be able to know where to find information, and you'll need to be a team player. So these are the university learning goals, and we're going to be talking about them extensively in week 6. So I'm going to move that down. And so our first objective is to identify the learning goals that influence career success. We're then going to be talking about your personal career interests. Most of you at the beginning in week 1, when I asked you, why are you here? You wrote, you're here because you want to change your career. You want to make more money. You want to be better able to support your family. You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. You want don't want to be passed over like you've been passed over, while other people have gotten the jobs because they had the degrees and they passed over you. You don't want to be passed over. And so this is the week where we concentrate on careers. And you're going to identify your personal career interests this week, and you're going to develop some career goals. Our learning activities required this week are your college experience, chapter 15. Of course, the Gamescape simulation. You're going to be discussing each one of the university learning goals. In addition, you're going to be doing another grammar review, another tutorial followed by a quiz on commonly confused words. Words such as affect versus affect. Weather, when it's the weather outside, is gloomy, and whether you want to do this or not. What's the difference in these words? They sound the same, but they're spelled differently, and the meaning is very different. So this week you will be completing the commonly confused words tutorial and quiz. And then you, of course, at the end of the week, you will be doing your week 6 summary. This week you have 3 assignments. The first assignment is the Phoenix Career Services. When you click on Phoenix Career Services, and I'm having trouble moving this, so I'm not sure there we go. You will see there's a career exploration worksheet, which you will be answering some questions, and navigating the Phoenix Career Guidance System. And I'm going to open that up for you so you can see what that looks like. And there it is. you're going to be going through each one of the steps. Follow the tutorial here step by step. You're going to be doing goal 1.1. You're going to chart your career path. You first click on careers at the top. Follow the directions exactly as they are indicated here, and you will not have a problem. It's very clearly indicated, boxed in red, what you need to do, exactly where you need to click. Go through each one of these step by step. This is going to be fascinating for you. You're going to love this. It's going to give you all kinds of interesting information about your interests and what careers may, I emphasize may, not that they are, but may be best for you. Okay, and then at the end, you go through, it goes through an interest survey, you get your interest results, and then it gives you a graph stating different careers, how much you might be able to make each year, your salaries. And this is going to be very interesting for you. I guarantee that. Now, I'm going to close this. And when you're all finished with that, you are going to open up the worksheet. And the worksheet has 1, 2, 3 questions. You answer the questions directly in the worksheet. Just put your cursor right in there, and you'll see you can type right in within the worksheet. Fill in the box on the bottom here. Save the worksheet to your desktop, and then go ahead and upload the worksheet to the Phoenix Career Services assignment. Okay, I'm going to just say don't save that. And let's go back. And here we are. I'm going to go back to week 6. And scroll down. So you are going to be completing your Phoenix Career Services assignment, which is worth 5 points. You are going to be completing your week 6 Gamescape as always. Save it to your computer as a PDF. Please edit your responses carefully. Remember, mechanics counts. I need to be able to read your responses and understand them. Be sure you punctuate your responses. Okay, and finally, of course, participation, which is the minimum of 8 substantive notes across at least 3 days each online week. So, with that said, welcome to week 6, your career exploration week, and I will see you in the learning activities.